Oh my gosh. A helicopter, a
wow.
medic helicopter.
For my house.
That
Perfect.
is cool.
Now who's that from? Oh,
That's almost a boy toy.
It's funny how you guys do that.
look at you.
A boy toy.
Aww.
Let me see.
Boy, that looks really
I was
cool.
thinking about that the other day.
So it transports the sick people to the hospital.
And so does my ambulance and my hospital.
Now, is there a place for the helicopter to land?
Helipad?
Oh, it's got a, oh. You know what I was thinking is on top of your hospital. Sometimes they land. But this is perfect. This is perfect. That's why it's there.